Let me take a selfie.
It seems like selfies are everywhere. And thanks to smartphones, everyone wants to look their best.
It's all about the Facebook.
Everybody is taking pictures of themselves and their close friends.
Posting photos all the time makes us more aware of what we look like, but it can also be pretty deceptive.
Let me take another selfie.
Dr. Dustin Reed, who's been known to take a few selfies himself, doesn't always like the image he sees in his selfies.
The cameras that are on the phones and these different devices don't necessarily always put you in the most appealing light, and it's led people to seek plastic surgery to make changes.
Selfies, texting, the continuous awareness of one's appearance in photos drives business, if you will, but it's not really a very realistic driver of business, and maybe not one in our patients' best interest. And so we spend a lot of time with patients telling them, don't be so hard on yourself.
A recent survey shows an uptick in requests for facial procedures last year, possibly due to the selfie craze. It's no wonder we find pictures of ourselves so unflattering. Take a look at selfies. Sometimes they're just downright ridiculous. Look at the unflattering positions we hold our heads in.
This, and this are just a few of the craziest selfies on the internet.
Wait, pause. Jason just liked my selfie. What a creep.
A facial rejuvenation consult should include showing the patient what they look like in photos and then in the mirror.
When I look in the mirror, I'm actually quite thin and in really good shape, but then I see a selfie and that's not exactly the case.
Studies are being done revealing too many selfies can be hazardous to your health. One study points to body dysmorphic disorder. It's a chronic medical health condition in which the sufferer obsesses over perceived flaws with their body.
The patient has now become so overly sensitive of every nuance of their neck, jawline, and cheeks. They may not have an operation that will make them happy. And therefore, we need to know about that beforehand rather than later.
While we all want to have a little fun with our phones, it turns out they're not so smart after all. Poor lenses and poor lighting aren't doing anything to help our self-esteem. Responsible plastic surgeons are careful to screen people so they get the right procedure for all the right reasons. Beverly Brooks, The Plastic Surgery Channel.
Let me take a selfie.